In today's video, I made 100 egg rolls for a client and decided to film the process. So let's get right into it. Please note that 250 grams of flour will give you 5 egg rolls. So what I have here is 110 eggs for an order for 100 egg rolls. First, I'll start by boiling the eggs. After boiling them, allowing them to cool, I'll allow them to cool down, and I'll take out the shell from the eggs. So what I have here is 5 kg of flour. I'm adding my sugar, after which I'll mix together till it's well combined. Okay, so this is the butter I'm using. I'm going to melt the butter. So I've melted the butter. I'm adding it to my flour now. I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to sift in my milk flavor. Next, I'm adding my baking powder. I'm going to mix everything together till everything is well combined, just like so. I'm actually mixing with the rubbing in method. Next, I'm adding water. So I'm going to add the water in bits, so I won't end up having a sticky dough. I'm going to mix until the dough is ready. So this is our non-sticky dough. You can see how it looks. We're going to cover it now and allow it to rest for a few minutes. I already have my peeled eggs here. So I divided my dough into 100 pieces. Next, I'm going to start adding my eggs into the dough one by one, after which we commence frying. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do so by hitting the subscribe button. Also share with your loved ones. Please help me to grow in this channel, and thanks for watching. So you can see the frying process. It took a while, and this is it after frying. My light actually went off, so I had to take it outside to film. Thanks for watching. Bye.